sobrang excited ako kasi talaga sinasabi ko sa interview talaga. Yung character ko dito sobrang misteryoso. Kasi isang clip lang pinakita. So dito natin malalaman tonight kung mabait pa talaga si Waynona. At syempre, sobrang excited ako kasi nung ginagawa namin itong pelikula namin, talagang minahal namin. Papapanood na mga puso natin. So, maya-maya lang mapapanood din ako.
I'm sure, Aleen, mamahalin din nila ng gusto-gusto ang palabas na to. Ito, Aleen, our last question for you. Kung meron kang 3 words to describe this film, ano yun? Challenge, kasi 3 words lang. Pero go!
Nakakatakot. Nakakaba. Nakakagulat.
Parang natakot din ako dun sa sinabi ni Aleen. Parang ang daming mangyayaring jump scare. Pero aabangan namin yan. Thank you so much, Aleen. We'll see you inside. Thank you so much. And now next, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you know and love her, the one and only Sofia PABLO! Ng belated happy birthday kay Sofia, who just entered her 20s with this very new film. Happy birthday, Sofia.
This is what 20 feels like. Pero seryoso, sabi na nagsabi na parang you're giving 20 na talaga. Parang ito talaga yung nag-strike na yung
Your mature era.
It's my mature era. Wow! Yes.
Pero ito, Sofia, I asked Aleen kanina if he could describe the film in 3 words, what would it be? Ikaw, para sa'yo, ano yung 3 words na yun to describe this film?
Una, syempre, nakakatakot.
Of course.
Nakakatakot talaga. Pangalawa, nakakaiyak.
Nakakaiyak.
Yeah. And last, nakakapangilabot.
Nakakapangilabot. I like
balahibo.
Medyo malalim tayo sa nakakapangilabot doon na. And with that, thank you so much, Sofia. I'll see you inside later. And with that, of course, part of our amazing cast, the one and only Miss Sherilyn Tan. And with that, Miss Sherilyn, please make your way up the stage for a very quick interview.
Hi!
Hi!
Huwag Kang Titingin.
Yes! So, Miss Sherilyn, first of all, how are you feeling na mag-premiere na yung film? What's the emotions running through you right now?
I'm excited, but at the same time, medyo kinakabahan ako because like my kids, it's been a long time since they last saw me on big screen. Tapos ito pa, first time na kakaiba. So, one of my kids said, "Mama, baka maiyak ako, imbes na matakot ako."
Wow!
Yes. So, abangan nila, bakit kaya?
Ay! Aabangan po namin yung Miss Sherilyn kasi ikaw ang nagsabi. And with that, I'll see you inside, Miss
Yes.
Sherilyn.
Thank you!
so much.
Thank you! Nice to see everyone.
And now, next up, mag-ingay ang fan! everyone kung ano nararamdaman nila. Ibahin naman natin ng onti ngayon. Sino ang favorite character mo dito sa ensemble natin ng Huwag Kang Titingin? Except sa character mo, syempre. Explain why.
Favorite character ko, syempre, aside from Brian, which is me, siguro si Celine. Kasi siya yung ate ko eh.
That's so sweet. And with that, eto, what made you say yes to the role?
Well, of course, aside sa medyo marami-rami akong nagawa na horror movies before, siguro I saw something different dito sa Huwag Kang Titingin that made me say yes. And of course, it's another opportunity at ibang atake naman to sa horror, so I'm just really open to like work on it.
Alam mo, dyan ako excited, Marco. Everyone keeps saying, everyone from the cast talaga sinasabi nila, may something different sa movie na to. Kahit horror siya, and we all know horror, guys. So excited na ako dyan. I'll see you
Yes,
inside,
thank
Marco.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone na pumunta dito. Maraming salamat. I hope you guys enjoyed the film. And I'm just excited. Yun, maraming salamat. Thank you guys. See you next week.
And now we'd like to acknowledge Vito and Kiel, the Gueco twins, who are now walking up to the black carpet for this chilling horror film. Now with that, mga kapuso, huwag natin kalimutan, Wednesday, April 15, ang official premiere ng ating chilling horror film, ang ating summer horror, Huwag Kang Titingin. And now, next, walking up to our black carpet, Waynona, and Eliza, BORROMEO.
Huwag kang titingin. Yan. Tapos, out na yung kamay. Yan. One.
With that, with the many pictures and videos being taken today, please huwag mong kalimutan, guys, hashtag Huwag Kang Titingin and hashtag HKT Premiere Night. Once again, on the black carpet, Waynona Collins and Eliza BORROMEO. And next on our black carpet, ladies and gentlemen, please Victor and ANSAY on song. Please give them a warm round of applause.
Thank you, guys.
And now, ANSAY and Victor, may we please come up on stage for a quick interview. So hello guys! Good evening to you guys! So first of all, how are you feeling? Mahilig ba kayo sa horror or kinakabahan kayo?
Actually, ako super excited ako to watch a horror movie kasi I haven't watched in so long. And with me and Eliza and ANSAY, so I feel really excited to see. Kasi most of them are my friends din.
Yeah, I can see that. So boys, how about you? Excited? Kinakabahan for horror?
Ako kinakabahan ako for horror. Kasi magugulat din kasi talaga ako. Pero syempre, doon tayo sa experience, diba? Alam kong magugulat tayo dito. Yun yung inaantay din.
Super fan ako ng horror, kaya super excited ako na panoorin niyo Huwag Kang Titingin. Tsaka Yung nga, sinabi ni Waynona lang, puro actually yung mga friends namin, mga kabatchmate din namin sa PBB ang mga kapapanood namin dito. Kaya, yan, ready na ako matakot.
Ready na silang matakot and I hope you guys are too. So thank you so much everyone. I'll be seeing you guys inside. So yeah, thank you guys. Ayan guys, so as you can see, ang dami na natin mga kapuso stars na talaga namang magbibigay ng suporta sa ating mga stars. Ayan, thank you. And with that, bago ang lahat mga kapuso, let us first acknowledge our special guest this evening. First of all, our GMA executives. GMA Network Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management Worldwide, and Support Group and President of GMA Films, Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. And from GMA Pictures, Executive Vice President Ms. Nessa Valdelion. We also have Supervising Producer Ms. Rose Conte. And our Promo and Marketing Manager, Ms. Shao Masula. Mula naman po sa Sparkle, our first Vice President, Ms. Joy Marcelo, the one and only. Our Assistant Vice President for Talent Management, Mr. Vic Del Rosario. Our Senior Talent Manager, Mr. Dara Zamora. And another Senior Talent Manager, our one and only Miss Tracy Garcia. Next, from GMA Corporate Affairs and Communications, Assistant Vice President for Corporate Communications, Mr. Jojo Aquillo. And now, from Minford Productions, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. John Brian Diamante, Supervising Producer, Ms. Katsi Catalan. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for more stars to grace our black carpet?